Okay, in this video I'll show you how to create tables using the Excel file, the data in Excel file. Um, First, you must make sure that you follow this step here. Create a database and save the database as CCI. Once you do this, then in my instructions, basically you have to create 4 tables and import the data from Excel file. It may not work on your end because of various different reasons. If that's the case, if it's not working for you, then ignore this step here, the one that I highlighted. What you can do is you can create tables from the data that we already have in Excel file. Okay, and then once this is done, then follow this step, create relationship between tables. So let me show you how it's done. So if you already have the tables, make sure you delete the table. So right click on the table and click delete. Do the same thing with the clients. Okay, now you go to external data tab, click Excel file, and you get this wizard on your screen. Go ahead and click on browse to select one of the files. So make sure you select employees first. Okay, open that file and make sure you select this option here. That's the only one option that actually that will work, because the other one we are not linking anything. So import the source data into a new table in the current database. Once it's selected, click next, and then show worksheets. This is our worksheet. Go ahead and click next, and then make sure you check this box. First row contains column headings, because our first row here does contain column headings, so make sure you check that. Click next, and we'll just leave this as is. Click next, and make sure you choose my own primary key as employee ID is my primary key. Click next, and then simply click finish. So once you do that, do the same thing for the other table. So go back to Excel, click browse, and then select clients, and then make sure you select the first option. Don't append anything because there's no other table. There's no table. Clients table is not there. So make sure you first select the import source data into a new table in the current database. Click OK, and then just follow the same steps that we performed for employees table. So make sure you check this. First row contains column headings. Click next, and then choose my own primary key, which is the client ID. Click next. Once all these 4 tables are created, and before you create the relationship between the tables, make sure your data type is correct. So this is another part that you must do. This is one of the instructions. If it's not correct, then I will take the points out. So make sure your data type is correct in your table. So you have to go back to your design view and check the data type. Alright, thanks.